Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we turned up real nice at the 50%. I actually think this is going to go up and take out the previous highs. And I was also looking at this as maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So possibly after it takes out the highs, maybe it will turn down, break structure, proving that this move up is over and making that big move to the downside. But that is definitely very speculative. I mean, it could go up, bounce down, make another higher low, and just keep on trending up. As always, I'm just going to do what the market tells me to do, and the market is definitely bullish right now. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs. The yen pairs made a pretty nice move yesterday, but they have been kind of sideways a little bit lately. So maybe we will get a little bit of a bigger push down, maybe to one of these fib levels. But even if we do, I think I would be looking at that as possibly just an opportunity to go long again for the continuation of the daily time frame uptrend. So I'm definitely watching my fib levels for some nice fib bounces, some nice engulfing moves to the upside for more opportunities to go long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here over in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.